Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your Make Money Online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
Graham David Holroyd here, and you've either been invited by myself or one of our awesome team members to literally take part in a brand new system that is literally helping people make money online. And you too yourself can literally earn up to $151.25 every time you refer a new member. Here's how it works. We have, or should I say, we've created a membership site, okay, with an awesome affiliate program to help you make money online. Now, inside of the actual membership area, we go live without doubt every single week, providing you with the very best tips and tricks to help you increase your income. Okay, we've also put together a done-for-you sales funnel, which you'll be able to access inside of the members area in just a few clicks, okay? Not only that, we have a private members area. It's a full community with like-minded people where you can ask questions. We're always in there as well, okay? So if you've got any questions at all, feel free to just ask us inside of the members area. We've also put together a huge library of promotional material. So if you wanted to go out there and start promoting this to your social media following, we've provided you with everything that you need to start posting on social media and drumming up those commissions, okay? Because we've got a very lucrative commission structure for the members area, okay? Not only that, but we've got tutorial videos on how to set everything up. And I'll be honest, you can pretty much get set up within 10 minutes of accessing the members area. And plus, I've already mentioned this, but you get full support 24/7. So what you want to do now is you want to start your trial, okay? The best way to do that, simply click the button below. It'll say start your 7-day trial, okay? Click that button, start your trial. I'll see you inside the members area where we can literally help you get set up and start earning commissions. It could be as soon as today. So go ahead, click that button, and I'll see you in the members area.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn reoccurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.